Hey, we're going to try out this new product. Let's go baking. All right, here we go. First thing we got to do is heat the oven to 400. Grease the bottom of these little foil cups. Got 4 of them. We'll do it real easy. We'll spray them. Make it real easy. Okay, we'll set that aside. In a bowl, butter, we need 1/3 cup butter. Let's go ahead and put that in the bowl. And then we're going to put it in the microwave. For about, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute until it gets melted. So let's go ahead and do that. After we get the melted butter, we put the old cake mix in. Pour that in. And mix it up. I got my quality control person with me. I'll let you check her out. She's right there making sure I'm doing everything correct. After we get this all mixed up really well, we're going to put it in the microwave for about another 20 seconds. Gotta make sure it's blended well, it says. Whoops. All right, let's put it in there 20 seconds. We are going to put 2 eggs in. And we're going to stir that up till they get blended. Or mixed, however you want to call it. About a minute. Let's go ahead and get a tablespoon. We'll do that first. Put them in each one first. Really and truly, I'm going to do it easier. I'm just going to pour it in. And then after this, we're going to put them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. All right, after you get all the mix poured into these little tin cups, we're going to put them in the oven, like I said, for about 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to sign off till then. All right, got them out of the oven. I've let them set for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to see how they look. I'm going to put a plate on top of it and turn them over. Ta-da! Let's zoom in on there to see how they look. Let's cut one open and see what they look like. Oh, look at that. That looks good. Steamy, hot. Delicious. All right, we tried it. The review is, from me and my wife, is 2 thumbs up. Good to go. A lot better than the restaurants. Until next time.